Here's how to connect GitHub to Emergent AI. Let's get to it. On emergent.sh, you need to log into your account. After that, you can go inside one of your projects like this over here, or deployed apps if you have deployed one. In order to connect it, on the top right, you're going to press on this profile icon and you're going to find this connect to GitHub over here. Press on it and it's going to open up this pop-up. Inside it, you do need to log into your GitHub account. After that, scroll down and you're going to find this install and authorize. Press on it, enter in your password. Once done, it's going to try to connect, and that's it. Our GitHub is now connected, and we can save this project that I've made to GitHub as well. Also on the top right, if you click on your profile icon and click over here, it's going to take you over to GitHub page. And if you scroll down, you've got these options to suspend your installation or uninstall emergent.sh. You can do it from here. Now, if you press on the save button, it's going to show us this, save to GitHub. You can click on your connected organizations, selected repo. You can create a new one or select a repo. So we currently don't have any repositories, so we can create a new one over here. So I'm just going to type in try test. Just press on create and push to GitHub in order to do it. And yeah, that's it. That's how to connect GitHub to Emergent AI. I hope this video helped. If it did, let me know with a like and comment. And on the right hand side, you're going to find more GitHub related guides and fixes. I have made a full tutorial on Emergent AI, and I've also made a tutorial on how to connect custom domain to Emergent AI. So see you there. Bye for now.